Now this entire space is going to be your living room. Now if you notice, now coming to the kitchen, as you can see, entire room, if you can already notice, this is the largest room. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of Myscape Songs of the Sun by Myscape Properties Private Ltd, and the project is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, and this is going to be your marketing office, and the land parcel is just behind your office on that side. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So the first one is the project overview. Myscape Songs of the Sun is a luxury high-rise residential project, and it is spread across 5.92 acres of land parcel with 4 towers rising to ground plus 37 floors, housing a total of 592 premium residences. The project offers 3 BHK and 4 BHK ultra spacious apartments with only 4 units per floor. Now, coming over to the amenities part, you will have world-class lifestyle amenities like a 50,000 plus square feet of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, indoor sports courts, tennis court, basketball court, and many more. Coming over to the location, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. And this side of the road easily connects you to the main road of Financial District. Now, the nearby connectivity points include Outer Ring Road, which is just few minutes from here, Gachibowli being only 10 minutes away, High-Tech City around only a 15 minutes drive. Hello everyone, now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for Myscape Songs of the Sun for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 2,825 square feet. Let's enter. Now, as soon as we enter, we of course first have our door. As you can see, the door is designed very beautifully. You have a wooden structure for your door and you have your key lock system given. If you notice, the door's side corners are also very well attached and made by proper wooden structure. Now, this entire space is going to be your living room. Now, if you notice, the design is extremely unique. Your living area has 3 different corners. So this side is going to be your first corner. Now, if you want, you can turn this side of the corner into your small guest living area corner, or however you choose to. And right beside that, you of course have your window system, which will give you of course proper ventilation source and sunlight. In this corner as well, you have your light systems done properly in a very unique design. You also have your AC system done up. Now, your next corner of the living area is going to be this side. Now again, if you want, you can turn this into something else as per your choice. If you can notice, it is again extremely very spacious for you to design the entire unit as per your choice. And if you see, the entire flooring that has been done in the house is vitrified flooring. Not only that, but the wall as well has a very ceramic-like texture, which is again very unique and adds a lot of style to your house. On this other corner as well, you have your AC unit plan and your lightings given. Now, right in front of that, you have your attached balcony, which when I tell you is extremely spacious, it is. So it starts all the way from this corner where you have your fence. You have, if you want, you can add a swing. You have an attached system given. You can add extra plants here. You have a very nice view from the outside. Then entering again, you have this side of your balcony, which has a very small spacious place given, which goes inside as well. So if you want, you can turn this into your small washroom, outside washroom, which can be commonly used by guests, or like you can add a wash basin extra over here, design it however you like. Then coming to your last corner again of your balcony, which again gives you direct access view. You can add your plants and again choose to decide however you want. You also have a drainage unit added in your balcony and with electric switches given on that side. Now, coming to our third corner of the living area, which can be turned into your dining area. So this is going to be your entire dining space, which again you have a lot of open space, so you can add a large dining table. You have units attached to design your lighting as per your choice, and then you also have an electric unit placed here. So you have storage space on this corner as well, and then right beside that there's another special small corner made. So if you want, you can turn that into your puja corner, or you can design that corner however you like. There as well you have an electric switch. Now, right in front of your living cum dining area, you will have your kitchen space. When you walk inside, you can already notice that this space again is very spacious. So this side of the kitchen you can again use to add your storage units or design however you want. Now, coming to the kitchen, as you can see, the kitchen styling is also done in a very unique manner, and right below your storage units you have lightings as well added, which again makes it very unique. And then you have your electric units placed. You can add your oven, you can add your fridge on the other corner. You have your switches there as well. You can also add your exhaust chimney on this side, and you obviously have your window right near your wash basin. And other best part is that you have a dry balcony inside your kitchen. So the dry balcony already has a wash basin made, which also again comes with electric units. So you can add your washing machine here. You have an extra space corner there. You can use that for your laundry, and you have an open space dry utility. So you can dry your clothes or change and design it to however you like. You also have a storage unit area designed on this corner. Now we are going to enter our first bedroom, but before that, now as you walk in towards your room corners, if you notice, again you have a very beautiful and unique spacious place design in the center. You can turn this into your photo corner. You can add a huge dressing mirror, or you can add a common washroom for your guest here, or you can add your wash basin. You again have your electric units, and you have proper light placements also on both the sides. Now, coming towards our first bedroom, if you can see, this is when your first bedroom and your second bedroom are exact opposite to each other. So this is going to be your first bedroom. As you can see, again this room is also extremely very spacious, and the room's design is made in a very unique way as per the project's name. If you can already notice, you have a lot of wooden touching to everything, and it is designed in a very unique modern area. Your AC units with your light unit again is already given over here. And then you have your wardrobe space on this corner. If you want, you can add your study table. So if you want, you can turn this into your kids' room or design it however you like. Now, on this side of the room, you have your window system, which gives you direct access viewpoint. It is a slide-like window. So you just have to press and open, and you get your exact view from outside. Now, on this corner where the blinder is there, you again have another small window system, which is again like slide-like. So if you want, you can open that for a good amount of ventilation. Now, of course, you have your bathroom space, which is attached. You have your proper shower system. And if you can see, the tilings that has been done in the washroom are again in a very unique manner. You have your storage units also. If you want, you can add. You have a marble touch to your sink, and you of course have your proper ventilation source. The washroom is spacious enough for you to add partition, glassware near your shower. Your mirror also has a lighting touch system given, so if you want, you can add your lightings there. Now, coming over to our second bedroom. Second bedroom is a little more spacious compared to your first bedroom. As you can already notice, the corners in this room are again designed in a very different way. You have a lot of space made on this side. So if you want, you can add that into your office workspace area, or choose to design it however you like. Then your wardrobe can be added on the other corner. Again, the walls here have been done in a very different way, if you can already notice. Then on this corner, you will have your window, which is again slidable. So you open, you have a direct access viewpoint to the outsides. Then you have your attached washroom here as well. If you can notice, you have your tilings done properly, again marble touch to your sink. You have your proper shower system which can be added on this corner, and you will have your ventilation source on that side. Again, your mirror here as well will have a lighting source switch, so you can design it however you like. Now, before entering into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. You see, as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will find all the information about the project, like the actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will find the pros and the cons of the project as well. You will find EMI, down payment options, and exclusive pricing details on the website. We also give you a 360 virtual tour of the project, and if you wish to come for a free site visit, schedule it, you can either click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com for more information. Entering into our master bedroom, as soon as you enter your master bedroom, you have this long spacious place added and turned into a small corner, if you can notice. So this side area can be converted into your walk-in closet, your wardrobe. You can choose to design it however you like. Now, this is going to be your entire room. If you can already notice, this is the largest room in the house. So you have different sides of corner made. So you can actually design the house in a very modern, unique way as per the theme of the project. Now, your AC unit is here with your lighting system done. You have your electric switches given properly. If you can notice, the wall pattern design again has been given in a very unique and different manner. Near your window as well, your wall system that has been designed is in a very unique and different manner. Now, if you notice, you have two different window corners. So this is one side of the window. Again, it's a slide-like window. And your other window corner, this side, this also is going to be your slide-like window corner, and this gives direct access to your balcony area actually. Now, of course, the room has an attached washroom. So your attached washroom is going to be on this side. The washroom again has been done with proper tilings done, flooring, proper shower system, and this is much more spacious compared to your other washrooms. Here as well on the mirror, you have your proper lighting system done. And if you can see, the door design also has been given a little bit of a wooden touch. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for Myscape Songs of the Sun for 3 BHK. Hope you liked the entire walkthrough. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.